Dear students, how are you? I hope all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well, and I hope that all stay at home at the situation of COVID-19. Like every day, today I am with you all time in my class. So let's go to my class. I am Abul Kalam Azad, assistant teacher, Satyajitpur Fazil Madrasa, Sigbon, Chapanawabun. Students, so let's go to my class. Read the following sentences and guess what types of sentences are these. Please read the following sentences and guess what type of sentences are these. Look at the picture. Guess please. He is a poor man but honest. Actually he is poor. In spite of his poverty he is honest. In spite of his poverty he is honest. Number 1 sentence. Number 2 sentence, though he is poor he is honest. Number 3, he is poor but honest. So dear students, analyze the 3 sentences yourself and say to me, in spite of his poverty he is honest. What type of sentence is this? Please tell me. Okay students, that is simple sentence. Number 2 sentence, though he is poor he is honest. Please tell me what type of sentence. Okay students, complex sentence. Right. Number 3 sentence, he is poor but honest. Please tell me what type of sentence, he is poor but honest. Okay students, right, it is compound sentence. Okay students, surely you can understand today's topics. Now we shall discuss with you about sentence, simple, complex, compound, or changing sentence. I shall discuss with you changing sentence, simple, compound, complex. So today's lesson, transformation of sentence, simple, complex and compound. So okay students, now I shall discuss with you transformation of sentence like simple, complex and compound. So okay students, continuously I discuss with you about this sentence. Firstly, we will see simple into complex sentence. How to simple sentence into complex sentences. Okay students, simple into complex sentence, rule number 1. Okay students, before discussing rules, I shall discuss with about simple sentence into complex sentence. So okay students, transforming simple sentences into complex sentences, converting simple sentences into complex sentences can be done easily, and this can be done by simply expanding a word or a phrase into a clause. Moreover, we can do the same thing when we want to change the complex sentences into simple sentences, and this can be done by eliminating a clause into a word or a phrase. So okay students, I hope you can understand this sentence. So I want to say to you. Transforming simple sentences into complex sentences. Moreover, we can do the same thing when we want to change the complex sentences into simple sentences. For this can be done by eliminating a clause into a word or a phrase. Okay, students, now I shall discuss various rules. Simple into complex sentences. Rule number 1. Present participle in a simple sentence to convert into complex sentences by adding since, as, when at the first half of the sentence. Okay, students, present participle in a simple sentence. If simple sentence contains present participle means verb plus ing. To convert into complex sentence by adding since, as, when. You will use since, as, when. For since or as in the instead of because, and when for time. Okay, students, since or as time for since or as, and when we'll use since or as for because, and when for time at the first half of the sentence. Okay, students, for example, simple sentence, closing the door, that's present participle. I went back to school. Closing the door, just present participle. Of course, you can understand present participle, closing the door. Closing the door, it is for time. So firstly, at the first half of the sentence, we write firstly when I closed the door, I went back to school. Surely you can understand this. Closing the door, I went back to school. When I closed the door, firstly we put when. We can put when I closed the door. When I closed the door, I went back to school. When plus subject I, closed, that is past tense, because main clause is past tense. I went back to school. So when I closed past tense, because main clause is past tense. I went back to school. So, okay, students, rule number 2, being or verb plus ing in a simple sentence to convert into a complex sentences by adding as, when, since at the first half of the sentence. So dear students, surely you can understand that verb plus ing in a simple sentence, we follow the example simple sentence. After winning a beauty contest, she cried. After winning a beauty contest, she cried. Firstly, we put as plus subject she. Winning own. That is past tense. Winning verb, as plus subject plus main verb past tense plus rest of the sentence, and main clause, she cried, comma plus main clause, she cried, as she won the beauty contest, she cried. So okay students, I finished rule number 2. Now I go to next slide. Rule number 3. 2 dot 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 2 in a simple sentence to convert into a complex sentence by adding so dot dot that. 2 dot 2 dot dot 2 2 for show, instead of 2 just show, put this. You follow the example. Simple sentence, he is too weak to carry the box. Complex sentence, he is show. 2, remove 2 and put show. Remove 2 and put show, plus adjective weak. After adjective we put that he cannot carry the box. He cannot carry the box. For this, if the sentence is present tense, then main clause is used, cannot. Or if the sentence is past tense, the main subject plus could not. Present tense, if the sentence is present tense, that means subject plus cannot. Or if the sentence is past tense, subject plus could not. Okay students, to remove 2, just put show, adjective weak, adjective, after adjective that, plus subject plus cannot, as it is present tense. If it is past tense, then I used could not. Okay students, he is so weak that he cannot carry the box. To remove 2 and put so, plus adjective plus that, plus subject plus cannot, plus rest of the sentence. Okay students, rule number 4. 2 in the simple sentence, if the simple if simple sentence contains 2, to convert into a complex sentence by adding so that in the sentence. Okay students, you follow the example. Simple sentence, we eat to live. Here to remove, just show that. Remove 2, instead of 2 you put so that. We eat so that we can live. We eat so that we can live. We eat so that we can live. So okay students, I can go to next slide. Rule number 5. In the simple sentences, in spite of or despite, to convert into the complex sentence by adding though or although in the sentence. So okay students, so I can say simple sentence contain in spite of or despite, to convert into complex sentences by adding though or although in the sentence. In spite of or despite of. Instead of in spite of or despite, we put though or although in the sentences. Firstly, we put we use though or although. In spite of being rich, she is hardworking. In spite of being rich, she is hardworking. So firstly we put though plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence plus comma. Though plus subject. Though she is rich. Subject she. As that is present tense. So she is rich. Comma plus main clause. She is hardworking. Okay, students. I hope you are understanding that. So I can go to next rules. Because of in the simple sentence. Because of in the simple sentence to convert it to the complex sentence by adding sentence at the beginning of the sentences. So okay, students. Because of in the simple sentence to convert into the complex sentence by adding since at the beginning of the sentences. At the beginning of the sentence, follow the example. Because of his illness he could not join the meeting. So according to rules, since firstly we put down since plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence. Since he was ill. Illness, here illness is noun, convert into adjective. Illness, ill. Illness, ill. Illness noun into convert ill adjective. Since he was ill he could not join the meeting. Main clause, he could not join the meeting since he was ill. So okay, students, because of in the simple sentence to convert into the complex sentence by adding since at the beginning of the sentence. So okay, students, rule number 7, subject plus verb plus object plus present participle type of simple sentence to convert into the complex sentence by subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun of the object plus be verb according to relative pronoun and tense plus rest of the sentence. So I can see the structure of the simple sentence: subject plus verb plus object plus present participle. Follow the example. I saw a bird flying. I subject, saw verb, the present participle flying. A bird object, flying present participle. So okay, students, I saw a bird which was flying. Here we put which. We can put which as a bird is noun, so I shall put into which a bird, as a bird is noun, so we used which. I saw a bird which was flying. As it is past tense, so it is used was. Here. So students, I saw a bird, that is past tense. So here was just past tense. I saw a bird which was flying. So okay, students, rule number 8, in the simple sentences starts with without. By adding if, in case of, if or in case. is converted in the complex sentence. Then if the simple sentence contains without, by adding if or in case, is converted into the complex sentences. Follow the example simple sentences. Without adding the sugar, the dish will taste bad. Without adding, just remove. Without adding, remove. And adding if you do not. Adding present participle, just verb. If you do not add, present form. The rest of the sentence, the sugar plus main clause, the dish will taste bad. Without adding, just remove and include if you do not, and verb, present form of verb, add. Present form of verb, adding, add. So okay students, in the simple sentence it starts with without, converted in the complex sentence we used by adding if or in case. So okay students, I can go to the next slide. Rule number 9. In the simple sentence, at the time will be converted into when in the complex sentence. In the simple sentence, at the time, if simple sentence contains at the time, will be converted into when in the complex sentence. So follow the example simple sentence. She woke up at the time of load shedding. At that time remove. At the time delete. She woke up at that time, remove, and we used when plus subject plus verb. When plus subject plus verb. We can use when. At that time remove, and we can use when it was load shedding. So okay students, she woke up, just clause, next clause, it was load shedding. So okay students, in the simple sentence at that time will be converted when in the complex sentence. When. Rule number 10. In the simple sentence, adjective will be converted into that which in the complex sentence. In the simple sentence, adjective will be converted into that or which in the complex sentence. Please follow example. It was a blue shirt. Blue, just adjective. Blue, adjective. It plus verb plus object plus which. As blue is adjective, so we can use which. Plus verb plus adjective. So okay students, as first part is past tense, that next part past tense, which watch. Okay students, now I shall discuss with you complex to compound sentence. Complex converted to compound sentence. Just rule number 1. If the complex sentence has though or although in the beginning, the compound sentence will use the conjunction but or yet. Though or although. Instead of though or although, we can use but or yet to connect the different clauses. follow the example. Though he is poor, he is happy. So just though remove he is poor, just comma plus but he is happy. So here we can understand if the complex sentence has though or although in the beginning, just we can use but or yet. Okay students, next example. Although she is ill, he worked very hard. So just here although is removed, she is ill, comma, yet she worked very hard. Rest of the sentences, she worked very hard. So okay students, I hope you are understanding this rule. So okay students, I can go to the next slide. Rule number 2, complex to compound. If the complex sentence has list in the middle having should after the person, the compound sentence will use the conjunction or otherwise to connect the different clauses, and future tense will be used in the second clause. So okay students, attention please. If the complex sentence has list in the middle having should after the person middle having should, the compound sentence will use the conjunction or otherwise, or oblique otherwise. So I can see the example. Study hard lest you should fail. Study hard, just let's remove from here comma, we can use were or otherwise, plus subject plus future tense will plus verb. You will fail. Next sentence, next example. Practice hard lest you should be out of the cricket team. Practice hard, here list remove, otherwise plus rest of the sentences, you will be out of the cricket. You will be out of the cricket team. So okay students, I hope you can understand these rules. So I shall go to the next class. Next slide. Rule number 3. If the complex sentence has as soon as in the beginning, the compound sentence will use the conjunction and to join the different clauses. If the complex sentence has as soon as in at the beginning, the compound sentence will use the conjunction and to join the different clauses. Different clauses means two clauses. So follow the example. As soon as the rain stopped, we started journey. Just from here remove as soon as the train stopped, just comma, and we started the journey. So, before last clause we can use and. Next example. As soon as the crowd saw the hero, they started shouting. So you can remove as soon as. Of course, the crowd saw the hero and started shouting. So okay students, I can go to the next slide. Attention please. Rule number 4, complex to compound. Now I shall discuss with you complex to compound. So okay students, Rule number 4, if the complex sentences has since, as, when in the beginning, the compound sentence will use and, so, hence, therefore to connect the different clauses. So I can learn that rules. If the complex sentence has since, as or when in the beginning, the compound sentence will use and or so or hence or therefore to connect the various clauses. Just follow the example. Since the weather was bad, the match did not take place. Okay, students, I can remove the since from the sentence. The weather was bad, just comma and the next clause, the match did not take place. Okay, students, complex sentence example of other example of complex sentences. As she was ill, she did not come. So I can remove as from the sentence. She was ill, comma, so she did not come. When it was evening, the sun has set to the west, just comma and therefore it's evening. To show, we can use and, so, hence, therefore to connect the various clauses. So okay, students, next rules we can see. If the complex sentence has relative pronoun who, the compound sentence will use and. That place an object of the first clause will be the subject of the second clause. So okay, students, again I say the rules. If the complex sentence has relative pronoun who, the compound sentence will use and. In that place an object of the first clause will be the subject of the second clause. So follow the example. I saw a girl who was singing. Here who, here as who, that sentence. I saw a girl who was running. I saw a girl, just comma and plus subject she, that means girl. From girl we can get she as a subject. She, just from girl we can subject she was singing. Another example, I have a friend who is a writer. I have a friend, just comma and subject she. A friend, from friend we can bring subject she is a writer. So okay, students, I hope you are understanding these rules. So I can go to the next slide. Rule number 6, complex to compound. If the complex sentence starts with if, attention please, if the complex sentence starts with if having a first or third person and it bears a negative meaning. Okay, students, again I say, if the complex sentences starts with if having a first or third person after it and it bears a negative meaning, while transforming into a compound, this structure will be followed. Let plus object form of pronoun, just subject are converted into object. Object form of pronoun plus affirmative form of subordinate clause plus or oblique otherwise plus main clause. So okay students, if I follow the example, then I can understand the rules. So okay students, follow the example. If I do not go there, I will be unable to learn it. So if I do not, just remove from here, and at the beginning of the sentence we can use let plus me from I. From I, just object me. Let me go there, let me go there, conjunction or oblique otherwise, any conjunction or otherwise, I will be unable to learn it. Just main clause, I will be unable to learn it. Another example, if I do not study hard, I will be unable to get good marks. Let me study, just me from I, object of I, me, study hard, conjunction here, conjunction or oblique otherwise plus main clause, I will be able to get good marks. So okay students, so I can go to the next slide. We can learn, we are learning complex to compound sentence. Rule number 7. If the complex sentence starts with if, having first or third person, having third or fourth person after it, and it is affirmative form, please follow. It's in affirmative form. While transforming it to compound, this structure will be followed. Let plus object plus form of pronoun plus n. Here I have to know and conjunction and between two clauses plus main clause. So I can see the example. If I go there, I will be able to learn it. If I just remove from the sentence, let me go there, me from I, object form of I, me, let me go there, and comma and plus main clause, I will be able to learn it. Next example, if I study hard, I will be able to get good marks. Let me study hard and I will be able to get good marks. So if the complex sentence starts with if, having first or third person, after it, and it's in affirmative forms. So this structure will be followed. Let plus object form of pronoun plus and between two clauses plus main clause. So okay students, rule number 8. When the complex sentence starts with if, having the second person after it and expressing a negative meaning, just when the complex sentence starts with if, having the second person and expressing negative meaning, the compound sentence will omit if you do not. Then I shall remove from the sentence if you do not, and use the affirmative form of verb plus or oblique otherwise plus main clause. Okay students, I can follow the example. If you do not study hard, you will fail. I shall remove if you do not from the sentence of complex sentence. Study hard, comma plus or otherwise plus main clause, you will fail. So okay students, another example of the sentence, if you do not practice more, I shall remove if you do not practice more, plus comma or you cannot become a good singer. So okay students, I hope you can understand these rules. Rule number 9, complex to compound. When the complex sentence starts with if, having the second person after it, and it's the affirmative form, the compound sentence will omit if you do not and use the affirmative form of verb plus and plus main clause. So I can see before the rules of a number 8, just difference, affirmative meaning affirmative or negative. So I can see the example of the complex sentences. If you study hard, you will get good marks. So I can remove the part of the sentence if you study hard, just convert into compound sentence. At the beginning of the sentence, study hard, comma, and you will get good marks. Main clause, you will get good marks. Another example, if you read more, your writing capability will increase. Okay students, read more. Now I can remove the from the sentence if you from complex sentence, if you, we just remove. Read more, comma, plus and plus main clause, your writing capability will increase. Okay students. Number 10, if the complex sentences has so that form, the compound sentence will follow the rules. Vary in the place show, in the place of show, vary, and in place of that, plus show or hence or therefore plus main clause. So okay students, easy rules. You can see, just follow the example. I am so tired that I cannot work. I am so tired, I am very tired. Show in place of show, very, in place of show, just here very, and in place of that, and show hence therefore I cannot work, main clause. Okay students. Another example, the place is so crowded that, I can't find a place to stand. So okay student, the place is very crowded. Just I can remove show and we can put very instead of show. Here we are used very, we can use very, and so hence therefore I cannot find a place to stand. So okay students, another rules of complex to compound. If the complex sentence starts with unless, following second person you, the compound sentence will follow the structure unless and you will be omitted, plus what, between two clauses plus main clause. Just we can follow the example. Unless you say Friar, you cannot advise anyone to say Friar. So okay student, attention please, listen to me. Unless you say, unless you, just we can remove from the sentence say Friar, comma plus word plus main clause, you cannot advise anyone to say Friars. So okay students, another example of the sentence, unless you practice hard you cannot become a good singer. So we can remove or delete unless you from the sentence, practice hard, comma, or you can become a good singer. So okay students, we learn complex to compound sentence. Just I shall discuss with you about compound to simple. Compound to simple. Just rule number 1. If the compound sentence is stating that a person is doing two things one after another and join them with a conjunction, and the while transforming it into simple, ing will be added to the first verb. ing will be added to the first verb. Thus the first clause will be shortened and tense will be same as the second clause. So okay students, it is easy. Just follow the example. I went there and met her. So I have got from the rules just verb plus ing, go. Went from when, go plus ing, going there I met her. Going there plus subject I, first part of the sentence from the subject, I met her. So okay students, another example, she will go to the office and will do the work. Going to the office, just verb plus ing, we can remove the subject she will. Just at the beginning of the sentence we can use verb plus ing, going to the office, she will do the work. Next example, she will go to the theater and watch the play. Just verb plus ing, going to the theater, she will watch the party. So okay students, I can go to my next slide. Rule number 2. Compound to simple. Rule number 2. If the compound sentence has not only dot dot but also, the simple sentence will use besides being. So okay students, follow the example. Just the girl is not only beautiful but also intelligent. Not only dot dot but also. Here is used not only dot dot but also. Then we can use at the beginning besides being plus adjective plus subject. Beside being beautiful, just the girl is not only is removed from the sentence. Besides beings, we can write beside beings firstly. Beside beings beautiful, the girl is intelligent. Okay students, next example, she is not only a brilliant student but also a good singer. Just simple, besides being a brilliant student, besides being plus adjective a brilliant student plus subject she, is a good singer. First part of the sentence is present tense, so it is used present tense. She is, she is, she is, she is. So okay students, another example of the compound to simple. He is not only a good writer but also an outstanding lecturer. Besides being a good writer, he is an understanding lecturer. Okay students, so I hope you are understanding the rules. So I can go to the next slide. Rule number 3. If the compound sentence has the conjunction but, if the compound sentence has conjunction but joining the two different clauses, the simple sentence will be used. So you will use in spite of. Just in spite of is used instead of but. At the beginning, following my, his or his possessive form of pronoun according to the person plus noun form of the adjective of the subordinate clause plus main clause. So I can say easily in spite of, in this we can use instead of but. So follow the example of the sentence. The book was long but interesting. Just we can use in spite of at the beginning of the sentence, in spite of plus being plus adjective long plus subject the book, then verb plus rest of the sentence. In spite of being long, the book was interesting. Another example of the sentence: he was ill but he came to rehearsal. In spite of his illness, just he, possessive form of he is his. From he we can get his. Just ill, here ill is adjective, it is used illness, just noun. In spite of his illness, he came for rehearsal. In spite of his possessive form, here from he, just ill is adjective, just we converted into noun, illness. He came for rehearsal. So okay students, I can go to the next class. Rule number 4. If the compound sentence has this structure, the person must do ... or otherwise, the person will not ... The simple sentence will following the structure. Person must do ... to plus the result or outcome of the doing the work. So okay students, follow the example. You must study hard or otherwise you will not get good marks in the exam. Converted into simple, you must study hard. You must study hard. We can remove or otherwise. Just to, we can use to plus verb get. The other part of the sentence, verb is get, to get good marks in the exam. Okay students, we can see another example. He must run fast or otherwise he will not win the race. He must run fast. To we can remove or otherwise. To plus verb win. To plus verb win the race. Okay students, I hope you are understanding the rules. Next slide. Rule 5. If the compound sentence follow this structure, person must do ... what, otherwise person will plus verb simple form ... or person must do ... or otherwise person will be plus verb plus past participle form. The simple sentence will follow this structure. Person must do ... to escape or avoid. So we can say very easily, if I see the example, you must practice hard or otherwise you will lose the game. So okay student, you must practice. We must practice. We can remove or otherwise, and we can use to, and to escape plus verb plus ing. Escape losing the game. We can see the another example. He must work hard or oblique otherwise he will be suspended. He must work hard to avoid. Just to plus verb plus rest of the sentences. Compound sentence. Another example of the thief must run away or otherwise he will be beaten. Then the thief must run away to. We can use or otherwise, and we can write to avoid being beaten. So okay students, next slide we can see rule number 6. If the compound sentences first states a cause behind your, then join the result of outcome with a conjunction, and the simple sentence will follow the structure being plus adjective plus clause plus main clause. So we can say very easily, if the compound sentence first states cause behind a work, cause just means cause behind a work. We can say easily, if we can see the example, he was guilty and he ran away. He was guilty, that is cause behind, and he ran away. As he was guilty, so he ran away. So we can say here, he was guilty is the cause sentence. Being guilty, we can remove he was. Firstly, we can bring being guilty at the beginning of the sentence, being guilty plus subject plus rest of the sentence. He ran away. So okay students, we can see another example. He was very happy and he started to dance. Being so happy, he started to dance. So okay students, we can go to the next slide, number 7. Compound to simple. If the compound sentence contains the conjunction so ... therefore, having the cause before it and the result after it, the simple sentence will have for having the result before it and cause after it. Just we can say very easily, if we see the example, he worked hard, so the boss praised him. He worked hard and comma plus and plus therefore. We can remove so and we can use therefore at the sentence of compound. Therefore, in there here therefore is used instead of so, plus main clause the boss praised him. So okay students, another example, the boss praised him for his hard work. In the above sentence, the result is the praising of books and the cause is each person hard work. So okay students, it is clear. It has been cleared, that sentence, from the sentence we can see. Another example, the singer's voice is sweet, so she is very popular among the people. The singer's voice is sweet, therefore instead of so plus main clause, she is very popular among the people. So okay students, the singer is very popular among the people for her sweet voice. So okay students, now I can go to the next slide. Rule number 8. If the compound sentence has the conjunction and having the result, outcome before it and the cause, reason after it, the simple sentence will use to, all other things being the same. So we can see the example of the sentence. She came here and met me, and conjunction, and just before clause she came here and after clause met me. She came here to meet me. She came here and just and remove, and instead of and to from here to, instead of and we can use to plus verb. Another example, she studied hard and got good marks. She studied hard to get good marks. So okay students, I can go to the next slide. Rule number 9. If the compound sentence follow the structure person must not be plus adjective plus or otherwise plus person will not be, the simple sentence will use in the event of being. In the event of being, mind it please dear students, in the beginning plus adjective plus main clause. So we can say easily, if the compound sentence follow the structure person must not be plus adjective plus or otherwise, then I shall see the example. First example, you must not be late or otherwise you will not be allowed to participate in the meeting. So in the event of being, firstly we write in the beginning of the sentence, in the event of being late, just we can remove or otherwise plus main clause, you will not be allowed to meeting. So okay students, in this way you will see the rules. So okay students, one after another I shall discuss with you a long class, just simple, complex, compound. Just you will get advantage from the class. We can learn this video about simple, complex, compound. So okay students, in the situation of COVID-19, I hope all stay at home, you are well, Inshallah, see you again. Thanks to all. Thank you very much.